Hello guys, welcome back to Tech for You. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Atlas OS on your Windows 11 or 10. So basically Atlas OS is a modified version of Windows especially for gamers. So let's see how to download it. So first you have to click open any browser, or you can check out the link in the description and search for Atlas OS, and you just have to click on atlasos.net. After that it will show you get started option, so you just have to click on it and it will show you this page. So you just have to click on the already following the guide. Just click on it and then you have to click Atlas Playbook. I'm just gonna click on it. Okay, now it's downloaded already. Then you have to click on AME Wizard. Basically we have two files to download. One is Atlas Playbook, other is AME Wizard. So I'm just gonna click on AME Wizard, and here you can see it start downloading. So download is finished now. So once download is finished, you're just gonna close your browser. Once you close your browser, then you have to open your file explorer. Just open it, then go to downloads, and here you can see the two files that we download earlier. First is Atlas Playbook and the second is AME Wizard Beta. So they are in the zip file, so we're gonna extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip. You can use any of them. So I'm just gonna extract Atlas Playbook, and here we can see the Atlas Playbook zip file is extract now. So I'm just gonna delete this file, zip file. After that we have to extract AME Wizard, and here we go. We install the both zip files. Now I'm just gonna delete this zip file. Yes, now we just have two files. In these two files, first you have to open this Atlas Playbook folder. Just click on it. Then you have to click on disable automatic driver. Yes, also yes. Here we go. Now we are ready to install Atlas OS in our computer. So you just have to go back and open the AME Wizard folder, and you have to run this exe file. Just click on it, press yes. Yes, here you can see it's saying to me to run again because I already installed it, so it's showing me run again. But when you open this, so it will show you this dialog box on the top. So you just have to click on it, and what you have to do, you have to go to the folder of Atlas Playbook. Here is the folder that we extract Atlas Playbook. Just click on it and you have to select this apbx file. Just click on it, and it's saying me to overwrite because I already installed it. So I'm just gonna click on yes, but it will not show you this error. Understand? After that, you just have to click on the next, and it will analyze installation. Here you can see it says device must be plugged in before continuing. So I'm just gonna plug the device. After plugging the device, you just have to click on check again. So here we go. The system meet all requirements for this playbook. After that, you just gonna click on the next, also next. Then you have to click on agree. Then you have to select options. Click on it. Here it's recommended. You just have to click next, next, and next. But here you can choose which one you want to disable or which you don't. So I'm not gonna disable Bluetooth. I'm gonna disable printing. If you want to, then also power sync. Press next. Then I'm not gonna disable remove snipping tool, so I'm just uncheck this. Automatic updates if you want to, and hibernation is better, you can disable it. Then next, if you want to remove Microsoft Edge, so I'm not gonna remove it. So you just have to check if you want to remove Microsoft Edge. And here, if you after removing Microsoft Edge, you can also install a new browser. So I'm just gonna uncheck because I'm not removing Microsoft Edge. After that, you just have to click on OK. And here we go. Just have to click on the next, and here you can see it's extracting playbook. Now it will take a little bit time to extract, so please plug in your device and please wait for it to extract.